Hello dear students, last lecture we discussed about the plinth area method and cubical content method. In this lecture we discuss about the third type of approximate estimate, that is service unit method. Each building constructed to serve specific purpose. For example, a school building is designed to accommodate certain number of classrooms. Each classroom is considered as a service unit of that school building. Whenever a building is constructed, the engineer keeps the record of the place of construction, actual cost of construction, number of service unit, etc. From this record, it is possible to work out the cost of construction per service unit. In school building where there are so many classrooms, the cost of one classroom is worked out and then multiplied by the number of classrooms to be constructed. In case of hospital, the service unit is per bed. In case of stadium, theatre, cinema hall, service unit is per seat. Hotel, per room. Water tank, per liter. Highway, per kilometer. Bridge, per meter span, etc. are considered first, and approximate cost is prepared by multiplying the cost per service unit by the number of unit in the structure. Therefore, approximate cost by this method is number of service unit multiplied by cost per service unit. This method can be prepared quickly, but it requires a record of the unit, current rates of similar designed structure having the same specification at that locality. Now we are going to see some applications of service unit method. Application of service unit method. First is irrigation project. Approximate estimate of irrigation project is prepared for storage reservoir, canals and dams. Approximate estimate is prepared on the basis of per million cubic meter of storage capacity or per square meter of catchment area for storage reservoir and dams. Example is here. Approximate cost of 10 km long irrigation canal is at a rate rupees 60,000 per kilometer. Therefore, approximate cost, number of service unit is 10 km and cost per service unit is 60,000. Then approximate cost is 6 lakh rupees. The unit to be adopted for finding out the approximate estimate of irrigation canal, either area of land under command of canal is worked out in hectares or per kilometer. Another application of service unit method is roads and highways. The unit to be adopted to determine the approximate cost of new proposed highway is per kilometer or per mile basis depending on the nature of road, that is national or state highway or village road, width of road, thickness of metal surface, temporary and permanent acquisition of land, topography and cross drainage work, etc. For these factors to be considered, area, land to be acquired, quantity of earthwork and type of road, etc. Thus, by knowing the cost of construction per kilometer length of similar road, approximate estimate of proposed road can be prepared. For example, approximate cost of 15 km for 4-lane national highway is about 10 lakh per kilometer. Then approximate estimate is equal to number of service unit multiplied by cost per service unit. 15 lakh is 15 crore, approximate cost of 4-lane highway. Next application of service unit method is railway project. For estimate of a railway project, main items or work are foundation, embankment in cutting and banking, bridges, culvert, levels and road crossings, fencing, boundary, kilometer post, gradient post, office building, platforms, staff quarters, workshops, sanitary arrangement, etc. Railway estimates are prepared by knowing the cost per kilometer of recently constructed similar railway line, that is same gauge, sleeper, ballast, etc. While preparing approximate estimate, cost land acquisition should also be included. Another application of service unit method is bridges and culverts. Approximate estimate of bridges are prepared on the basis of per running meter of span or per running meter of linear waterway. Here, linear waterways find during the time of floods. Approximate estimate of bridge depends on roadways, nature of bridge, depth and type of foundation, etc. For preparing the approximate estimate of multi-span bridge, consider the typical one span of similar type of existing bridge. Approximate cost of proposed bridge can be found out by multiplying the length of span of proposed bridge with the rate per meter of existing bridge. For culvert, approximate cost may be determined per meter span or per meter of linear waterway. Approximate cost of bridge and culvert can also be worked out according to substructure and superstructure. For example, approximate cost of bridge having 3 span of 50 meter each comes out to be rupees 30 lakh at the rate of rupees 20,000 per running meter of span. Last application of service unit method is water supply project. The basis of preparing approximate estimate of water supply project is the population to be served by this project. Thus, by knowing the cost of water supply works per capita from similar project already executed, approximate cost of a new project can be worked out. Sometimes approximate estimate for this project is also prepared on the basis of area covered, that is per hectare basis. For this, situation or location, configuration, rainfall, population, existing water supply, existing drainage system, necessity of scheme, etc. data required. For overhead water tank, on the basis of capacity per liter of tank depending on the type of structure, height of tank, etc. Example, approximate cost of an overhead RCC water tank of 50,000 liter capacity rupees 30 per liter, then approximate cost is equal to number of service unit multiplied by cost per service unit. Approximate cost is equal to 50,000 multiplied by 30 is 15 lakhs for 50,000 liter capacity of water tank. This is a service unit method. In this, service unit is must for the calculation of approximate estimate, and the cost per service unit is also necessary.